guys? This is Kharim, and this is my first vlog. Here's Kimar, my cuz. Peace. We're on a mission to the outlet. We're gonna get some shirts. Let me get my seatbelt on. Alright, so basically this is my YouTube channel. This is my first vlog. I'm gonna do some more vlogs as well, hopefully soon and very soon. Supposed to touch Orlando if we go Universal's Friday and Saturday. Go Orlando Friday, hit Universal, stay on a hotel, and then after that we do Universal Saturday, touch back West Palm Beach Saturday evening to Saturday night. So yeah, so that's supposed to be pretty fun. I'm so excited to go past some of the rides, no lie. One thing you must know about Kharim is an adrenaline junkie. I gotta take it to the extreme still, but me go past some of them wild rides and see how it goes. Get what I say? And me know say, yeah, Kimara go past some of my rides them as well.
Yeah, you see, because right off a good one. That me say.
Yeah. But not lie. But if I touch Universal the first time I did come up here, but time did kinda run out for me. So this weekend is a must. Have to touch Universal. That me I say.
Same way, you know. As Mota would have said, why the man never touch Universal? Boy, I don't know go good enough.
Yeah, I have to do the Mota voice now, vlog. You see it?
Yes, Rasta. Every day I know.
So anyways, I just tell you, say, subscribe to the vlog from now because it's gonna be really epic.
Enough joke and enough of them things that go around.
Oh, you mean?
Be laugh, but we say, I'm not go dead.
So let's hit the subscribe button. My cousin Kimar, him have a YouTube channel as well. I'm gonna leave that in the description below. So just subscribe, sir. Look out for the thing, whole heap of things that come. Get what I say? Up with the vlog. Yep, so reached the mall, time for go do some shopping. Sun hot up beach out here. Just looking for some plaid shirts. I'm not sure if you have the ones that I got here the last time. But I'm gonna just look around and see if I find them.
Are you looking for like a fitted plaid shirt?
Slick fit.
That would be here, that table, and that one, that fitted.
These are the ones, yeah. Thanks. Yeah, same ones. Alright, thanks.
What size did you get last time?
Last time I got small, yeah.
Medium.
Probably need, yeah, some mediums. So I need to get what? Red. It's a medium. The black. I need a blue as well. This time. Extra small. It's a medium here. Yeah. This. A red one again. This red. But it start workout, you see it. So after working out my body get bigger and things, so me have to come stock up again on them shirts there. Yeah, rate them how them fit, rate them how they look.
That is hot.
Yeah. Woo! Hot outside like crazy. Look there. Bird of your shelter and the vehicle tow. The time hot. Where bird see him there? Time hot. For all those who watch this vlog, tell me some things where you like, say, when you watch vlogs, YouTube videos and all them things there. Just use the comment section below. Let me know what type of vlogs you watch, what type of videos you love, and me try my best to make those type of videos so you can enjoy YouTube, enjoy my channel as well. You get what I say? And I'm going to add me on Snapchat. My Snapchat name at I am Kharim. My Instagram name at I am Kharim. You can like my Facebook fan page as well. I am Kharim, because yeah, I'm my name Kharim, is it? So let's go and do it for you vlog. Little more. Yeah, so I actually go back in the mall because I forgot to buy some shoes. So I have to end up turn back to buy some shoes. Yeah. Thank God for whoever build car and decide to put AC in there, because out of the hot. I mean hot. Look on what that thing you say. 92 degrees Fahrenheit. Oh, they burn up. Nah lie. So big ups to the people them when them a build car, them put AC in there, because it wouldn't be pretty if you have to park all the car in the sun and come back and in there boil. And for all those who have AC and it now work, January rest I'm sorry for you. Who remember that tune? Them tune I used to play in my era. I'm not telling them my age still. I'm not have to guess that. But guess what? Yo bro, if she don't know that tune, if she don't know that tune, yeah, she too young for you, bro. Just know that. Oh, the sneakers that I buy a while ago was a red and a black. But always have to have a black sneakers. And the sneakers when I buy a while ago, I did buy one already. And trust me, when I see it in black a while ago and the red, it's a must to buy them. Couldn't left them, none at all. But they turn back to go buy a shoes, is it? But never did I expect to see the shoes that I actually love. Shoes that I actually wear right now as well, which is a Vlada. Is it? Have to go back and get a shoes. Never did expect to see it in a red and black, and yeah. Now we do your thing. Once you love something, you gotta go after it. Mother road. I'm reach upstairs, me showing you the shoes and thing. I'm gonna see how it look and thing. And if you don't want go buy one, them shoes are make great sneakers, nah lie. First shirt, black and white, blue, bomb, red. Alright, so this is the black one. The red one, bow, Vlada, the thing name. So need to get on yourself a Vlada. For all of the males who watch this vlog, get yourself a Vlada, mad shoes.